Okay, so now we are going to solve these equations, and we're going to do that using the zero product property. So we're going to set first set of terms x plus 14 equal to 0 and x minus 3 equal to 0. Subtract 14 from both sides, where we'll get x equals negative 14. And in the other equation, we're going to add both sides. Our answer will be x equals 3. For the next one, both of the binomials equal to 0, p plus 15 equal to 0, and p plus 24 equal to 0. 15 from both sides, and we'll get 2 negative 15. Be very careful with your signs. Here's another case of subtracting from both sides, so make sure p equals negative 24. Don't forget that negative sign. Okay, for the next two, these are a little more involved. There's just an extra step involved in some of these. We have 2z minus 8, 0, and z 5, 0. So we're going to subtract the 8 from both sides. We get 2z equals negative 8. And then we're going to divide out the 2. That's the second step. Z equals, remember, it's negative 8 divided by 2, so that'll give me a negative 4. And this next one's more simple. We just subtract 5 from both sides. We get z is equal to negative 5. Okay, the next one, 6b minus 4 equals 0, and b minus 8 equals 0. We're going to add 4 to both sides. 6b equals 4. And then we're going to divide the sides by 6, where we'll get b equals 4 over 6, which is actually needs to be simplified. We divide the top and the bottom by 2, and that will give us 2/3. So our final answer for that one is 2/3. The next one, we're going to add 8 to both sides. B is equal to 8. Okay, the next one, number 5. 3x plus 9 equals 0, and 6x minus 3 equals 0. Subtract 9 from both sides. X equals negative 9. Divide out the 3. X equals negative 3. Be careful of that negative. Next one, we're going to add 3 to both sides. 6x equals 3. Divide both sides by 6. Have x equals 3 over 6, which we know simplifies to 1 is a 2 or 1/2. Okay, for numbers 6 through 9, we're just factoring out the greatest common factor. So remember, there's no equal sign. We're not solving anything. We're just factoring. So the prime factorization of 8x is 2 times 2 times 2 times x times x. The 20 will factor out to 2 times 2 times 5 times y. So if we look for some common factors here, we have one of the 2's, another 2, and that's it. Nothing else is a common factor. So if we have a 2 times a 2, that'll give us a 4. And then inside the parentheses, we have a leftover 2 times x, which is 2x squared, plus, then we have a 5 times a y and 5y. And remember, you can go back and distribute this 4 to check your answer. So if I did 4 times 2x squared, it would be 8x squared, and that's what I have here. And if I did 4 times 5y, it would be plus 20y, and that's what I have up here. So that's how you can make sure you're doing it right. Okay, the next one, the prime factorization of 4x squared is 2 times x times x, and the factorization of 4x is 2 times x. So our common factors are 2 and 2, and another 2 and another 2 match up, and then an x and an x. We have to stop there because we've run out of factors in this one. So 2 times 2 times x is 4x, so that'll go on the outside of my parentheses. We have the x left over from this term. This term we have nothing left over, so what we do is we put a 1 in place there. And remember, it's a subtraction, so make sure subtraction goes in there. Make sure you don't put 0 in here. This is an x, this is a 1. So this needs to be a 1. If we were to go back and check by distributing, because remember, factoring breaks it apart, distributing will put it back together again. We get 4x times x, which is 4x squared, and 4x times negative 1, which is minus 4x. And that's what we started out with. Okay, the next one, we have 2 times m times m. for the 2m squared, and the 6mn is 2 times 3 times m times n. Common factors are 2 and 2, and m and m. So 2m is the greatest common factor. We have an m left over here for that term, plus we have a 3 and an n left over for that second term. And then for the last one, in this section, we have 3 times 3 times a times a times a times a times a. That's 5 a's, a to the 5th. And the other one is a times a times a for a to the 3rd. So when we are finding our common factors, there are no 3's in that second one. So we have to start with the 1a, and then the second a matches up, and the third a matches up. So a times a times a will give us our a third greatest common factor on the outside. And what's left over is a 3 times a times a, which is 9a squared. And in this second term, we've used up all the factors, so we put a 1 in there. Remember, again, not a 0, we put a 1 left over there. So, because when we distribute that a to the 3rd times 1, that'll get us back to our a to the 3rd from the original problem. Okay, and then the last two challenge problems, the factors for 20x squared y squared will be 2 times 5 times x for the x squared times y times y. For the second term for xy, we have 2 times 2 times x times y. Our common factors are 2 from each, another 2, one of the x's, and one of the y's. Okay, so 2 times 2 times x times y is 4i. ACF is 4y. Then we have a 5 times x, y, and this is that one. For the first term, plus nothing left over here. All of my factors we use, so I put a 1 in place there. The last one's a little tricky because there's 3 terms. We have 2 times x times x times x times x. 4 x's, x to the 4th. 14 is 2 times 7 times x times x, and 6x is 2 times 3 times x. So when we want to find common factors, remember it has to be common to all 3 of them. So there's a 2 in all 3 of them, and then there's an x in all 3 of them. Okay, that last one doesn't have any more x's, so we have to stop there. So our GCF is 2x. The first term has a 2, x times x times x, so it's 2x to the 3rd left over inside, plus 7x plus 3.